suppose when we talk about the business lines, the attitude we have is that we try to improve the job to be done. So when we're making the medicine, we'd like the medicine to be made automatically and at a high quality. So we focus on the process automation and industrial automation systems in order to ensure that the batches move through the factory as efficiently and as high a quality as possible. We also then make sure that we can deal with the orchestration of what everybody is doing, so the execution systems, to make sure that the process operator, the supervisor, the QA coordinator, and the overall executive in the facility can now see what's happening and control and move the workflow through. We also then ensure that we need to capture that data. So we capture the data in the historian, and then we serve that either at the line in the factory or in the cloud in order to create insights, so using analytics and sometimes advanced analytics. So we focus our service lines on the areas that need to be improved, all the way from the supply chain as it comes in, through the manufacturing, into the labs that are so important to make sure that the quality is good, and then the supply chain going out to try and make that as efficient as possible to get the medicine to the patients.